Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix suspicious login on Snapchat. So if you go to your Snapchat and you try to log in, you will not be able to do that because of that suspicious login. What you can do to secure your account is to change your password. And so to do that, you need to click here the forgot your password on the center part of your screen and just click on it. And then you can choose if you will reset your password via your phone or via email. So I'm going to choose via email. And this will lead me to this website right here, and this will enable me to reset my Snapchat password. So that is all for this video, and I hope it helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell button so you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.